Hello, Ville. Welcome to the fourth edition of the Data Innovation Summit here in Stockholm. It's really nice. I'm pleased to have you and Stora Enso with us joining as a speaker company. But before we go on, please introduce yourself and a short background.
Yes, thank you for inviting me.
Pleasure is ours, actually.
Yes. So my name is Ville Könönen, and I have a pretty long background in analytics. I studied in research career. I did my PhD already 2004 related to machine learning. Pretty different field than a lot of theoretical work, but not really,
Much different.
Yeah. So and after that, I spent almost 10 years in this kind of research institute. Let's say that this kind of middle way between the academic and the industry, doing this kind of R&D process to mostly Finnish industry and more like emphasize more on the R side, research side. Yes, and after that I used to work as a consultant in data analytics field, several companies in Finland, and then this kind of AI companies lead in this same consultancy company. And then currently my role in Stora Enso, it's a lead data scientist responsible for building AI capabilities in general in company.
Well, you are actually in the heart of the problem, I believe. So you gave a talk today about AI platforms for large-scale manufacturing industry. So can you please reveal in short terms what is an AI platform? First of all, what does it represent? And what's Stora Enso's success story as a leading global provider of renewable solutions in packaging?
Yes, Stora Enso, I think that it's a very good way to summarize that. We believe that almost everything that currently can be made from fossil-based material, tomorrow we can make it by using tree.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the summary. And of course we have several divisions in the company, and these divisions are really different in the sense that we have a paper manufacturing, packaging solutions there, then biomaterial. If you consider this, the demand, what kind of requirements they have for AI and related analytics tools, it differs a lot, because this kind of paper industry is really heavily on how you reduce costs, optimize cost structure, and then, for example, this biomaterial, it has a huge R&D demand there. So this is one point: how to actually satisfy this demand of these really different units inside the company. And then other thing is that we are really heavily multi-vendor environment. Totally, we have currently about 400 vendors working for the company, and they all have a little bit different way to build systems. How to harmonize this, that it's still a reasonable burden to maintain these systems and take care of.
A daily challenge. Okay, Ville, AI-based services versus traditional services, it's like black and white, I know, but what are the requirements and the technical building blocks of an AI platform?
Yes, I would say that of course one thing is that these AI-based services, they rely heavily on data. This is one thing.
Yes.
And the second thing is that they have, of course, it depends on how you define the AI-based services, but I think that the really practical way to define it is the services that have some models. This model can mean some traditional statistical models, like some predicting something based on your observations or image recognition thing, and that's one say requirement that how you actually handle these models, how you maintain these models in the production environment. And it's really rapidly developing field. There's a lot of different solutions for that, and I think there's a lot of room for development yet still in field.
Ville, you were here all day today, and so you saw that one of our keynotes actually was about AI ethics and sustainability. And Stora Enso is one of the first companies to join the Finland's AI program challenge in following these ethical principles for AI. So, first of all, is there ethics in digitalization, and can an AI system be held accountable for its actions? If so, how? Some of the main challenges.
Yeah, I would say that the system be accountable for its actions. It already has this kind of baked-in definition of strong AI.
Yeah.
This kind of really high-level cognitive functions. Perhaps in that case, yes. But currently, I would say that these are more like this kind of augmented intelligence solutions, where this AI actually supports human in their duties and work in general. So I would say that this AI ethic actually currently, it's more this challenge there is that how you actually do this in practice.
Yeah.
You can have this kind of company level AI ethical guidelines, but then it also means that there should be always persons that are responsible for observing the functionality of such systems, and then you should always be able to also provide tools to fulfill this kind of requirements.
So, Ville, since you have all of these successful implementation of AI platforms, but let's take them. I mean, I would like to hear some recommendations from your side for those organizations that are still in the beginning of their journey. You have to admit that there are still companies who are barely starting. So what should they prioritize? What should they think about first when embarking on this journey?
I would say that very first thing.
What was your what was your success? How did you start? What did you consider?
But I think that it's really so that the first thing is to make the data easily available. That's one thing. That, especially in the environments where you have a lot of different kinds of data sources, three different kinds of data. It's just to make this easily available. It accelerates a lot how to develop these data-dependent solutions. After that, the second thing is that it's more like this kind of managerial thing, that you should have a suitable instrument to fund this kind of proof of concept projects, and this whole pipeline from this proof of concepts to pilots to productization. This kind of continuous pipeline.
One last question, Ville. According to Forbes, machine learning and AI will still be the hottest trends in 2019. So, according to you, your industry perspective, what can we expect in the near future?
I think this kind of hottest trends currently, they are related to this IoT, how to actually bring this AI close to these information sources, and this is something that I expect that during this year happens a lot in this field. Then also this productization issues from many angles that they are really rapidly developing. I think that there's a lot what we have during this year.
Great, Ville, thank you very much. Thank you for being with us at this summit, and thank you for accepting to conduct this interview. My pleasure.
Yes, thank you.